Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a clean starting point. Backup with Time Machine or manually copy important files to an external drive so you can restore later. Once done, sign out of iCloud and iTunes, and if File Vault is on, decrypt the disk. This prevents activation issues. Make sure your Mac is plugged in and has a stable internet connection. Now restart and hold Command-R to boot into recovery. That first action loads the tools you'll use to erase and reinstall Yosemite. You open Disk Utility from the Recovery menu and select the built-in startup volume, typically Macintosh HD. Next, click Erase and pick Mac OS Extended, journaled with a GUID partition scheme. This provides the correct format for Yosemite installations. If you are transferring ownership, use the security options to write zeros or multiple passes. Otherwise, a standard erase is faster and sufficient. After erasing, quit Disk Utility. The disk is now clean and ready for a fresh OS installation. You select Reinstall OS X from the Recovery menu and follow the installer prompts, choosing the freshly erased drive as the target. The download and install may take time. Be patient and keep power connected. When installation finishes, set up a new admin account and then restore your files from Time Machine or your external backup. If the standard recovery installer fails or shows errors, use Internet Recovery by restarting and holding Command-Option-R to fetch the correct recovery image. That often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.